how to enable the dark mode on Creator Studio app. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Recently the YouTube has updated their mobile app, especially that of Android, in which they have given the feature of a dark mode. And in order to access the dark mode feature, you need to first make sure that your Creator Studio app is updated, and then you need to access the setting by going to the top right avatar icon, and then you need to click the settings. In the settings, as you can see, that the third option is the appearance, which is a dark theme. So by enabling the dark theme, you can reduce the glare and improve the night viewing. And by enabling that, yes, you can see that the whole application or app has converted into a dark mode, and you can use this app at the night and you won't feel any problem. So that's how you can enable the dark mode or a night theme on Creator Studio app. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.